Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test between a Realme 3 Pro versus a Huawei P30 Lite. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. Huawei P30 Lite comes with a Kirin 710 processor with a 4GB RAM, while the Realme 3 Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor with a 6GB RAM. Another variant comes with a 4GB RAM, but this is having a 6GB RAM that I have. Let's see who's gonna win this booting speed test. And Realme 3 Pro is faster there with a faster processor, and Huawei P30 Lite still takes some time, and now it is also done. About 4 or 2 second difference there between both of these phones, and both phones comes with a full HD IPS LCD display with a water droplet notch, so everything is closed up in the background. First application, phone dialer, faster on the Realme 3 Pro, and P30 Lite is right behind. Settings, that was about the same on both phones. Next up is mic lock, and that was about the same on both phones. Moving up with my files, and that was about the same on both phones. So launching some more application like the calculator on both phones, the calendar first, and that is faster on the Huawei P30 Lite and followed by the Realme 3 Pro as well. The calculator, and that is faster on the Huawei P30 Lite, and Realme 3 Pro is right behind. So launching some games application, and first is the Candy Crush, and let's see how much a difference in the performance. And Realme 3 Pro is faster there, not a huge faster, and Huawei P30 Lite is also right behind. So next up is the Subway Surfer, and again faster on the Realme 3 Pro, and Huawei P30 Lite is also done about 1 second difference there. So last game application we have is the Temper Run 2. And that's again faster on the Realme 3 Pro, and P30 Lite is also right behind. So last opening up the application that is called as a camera, faster on the Realme 3 Pro, and P30 Lite is right behind. So I have launched the internet browser on both phones, Wikipedia first website, and I have using the Google Chrome on both phones, and you can see that was super quick on both phones and very smooth. I feel some lags on the P30 Lite. Next up is having a heavy website, wwe.com, and same Wi-Fi network I have on both phones. And Realme 3 Pro is faster, and Huawei P30 Lite is still take some time, and now it is also done. And you can see not much a difference in this website, and you can see scrolling very smooth on both phones. Let's remove the ad, and you can see looks very smooth. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM management, and both phones comes with a 4GB RAM, but I have a 6GB RAM variant with the Realme 3 Pro. Interesting to see how much difference with 4GB RAM and 6GB RAM. And you can see calculator. Let's see the games, and that is not refresh on both phones. So far is really good on both phones. And we are back to the internet browser, and amazing performance on both phones. And overall I have said that the app's opening speed is faster on the Realme 3 Pro, and Huawei P30 Lite is right behind to the Realme 3 Pro. RAM management is excellent on both phones. I gotta say, the performance wise, Realme 3 Pro is a very good phone for gaming as well as a apps opening speed. And you can see, subscribe to my channel for future content, and thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Realme 3 Pro versus a Huawei P30 Lite. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.